Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and removing immediate blockers. Sign out of any party systems and verify your account shows solo-only or unrestricted status. This prevents server-side rejections. Next, change your game region to the tournament host region to match queue expectations, because region mismatch often triggers the error. Once done, fully quit the client and relaunch so the server recognizes changes. Make sure no VPN or conflicting UDP services are running before proceeding. Now focus on integrity and connectivity. Validate or repair game files through the launcher so corrupted assets don't block match eligibility. This clears mismatched manifests that can cause mode errors. Then flush your DNS and reboot your router to reset session mappings. Many matchmaking failures stem from stale network routes. Finally, ensure required ports are open or UPnP enabled. This allows the matchmaking handshakes to complete. Once these steps finish, relaunch and attempt to enter the solo cache cup. Finish by executing the correct join sequence. Log in, wait for full menu load, then queue solo for the cache cup within 1 to 2 minutes to avoid stale session conflicts. If you still hit the error, clear the game cache, sign out, then sign back in to force fresh authentication tokens. This resolves many persistent edge cases. If problems continue, collect log files and exact timestamps, then contact support. They can match backend rejections to your session and provide a definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.